Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see about what is update statement in SQL. So this update statement is used to modify or change the existing records in a table. So this is the syntax for update statement. Update table name, set column name is equals to value, where condition. So this where class is used to in which record you are going to update in a table. So if you forget to use this where condition in this update statement, then all the records will be updated. So let me start with, so here you have seen, you can see that I have created a table with the name employee. So let me describe you this table. So this is the table I have created with the column names ID, name and email. So in this table I am going to insert some values using this insert. So insert into table name, ID, name and email, and values are 1 Banu and here it is banu@gmail.com. So let me run this query and see what is going to happen. So let me run this select star from employee query. See, one record is inserted with the given values ID, Banu and banu@gmail.com. okay, just let me change this ID to, and I will use the name Karan, but I didn't change this email ID. So it is like before banu@gmail only, but I need to insert karan@gmail.com using update statement. Okay, so first let me run this query and see, and I will run this select star from employee. So here two records have been inserted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this email ID with the name Karan. Okay, so I'm going to update like karan@gmail.com. So for that I'm going to use this update set column name is equals to, the name is karan@gmail.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this where clause in which record I'm going to update the record. Okay, so where ID is equals to 2. So what the statement is going to do is update employee. So we need to give table name. Okay, so what it is going to do is in this ID where the column name is ID and where the column value is 2, it is going to update the email with this given value. Okay, so let me run this query. This query you will definitely see this error like you are using safe update mode. So you need to disable the safe update mode. Basically this safe update mode is used for to prevent the unwanted updates or delete operations by mistakenly. Okay, so we need to use this syntax set SQL safe updates is equals to 0 to disable my SQL safe updates. Okay, so let me copy this syntax to disable SQL safe updates. So Control C. First I will run this query. So here you can see now set SQL safe updates is run successfully. Now I will run this update statement, then the table is going to be updated. Update table, so one row is affected. Okay, let's see the table using this select query. See, the email is updated with the name Karan, and if you forget to use this where condition, then all the records is going to be updated. So let me delete this one and I will just run this query and I will run this select to query. So see here in this email column all the values have been updated with the given value in email column. So you should make sure that if you don't use where class, then all the records will be updated with the new values. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand this update statement in SQL.